Right, let's get this packaging off and see what's inside. It might be a little bit overkill using a big knife for a plastic bag, but hey ho. So I can see the kit itself is protected with some nice bubble wrap, which is always a good sign just to stop any damage. Very nice sleek case. I'm not sure if it's leather, but it smells like it. Let's get this zip open. Oh wow, there's lots of tools in here. Seems to have fallen out their spots a little bit, but I'll replace them in a bit later for the photographs. I wasn't expecting to have so many items in this kit, and I'm not sure what every single one does, to be honest, but it'll be some experimentation so I can learn some electronics and soldering. It seems to have everything you need to get started, and to be honest, I'm quite surprised at the amount of items in here for the price. Got some conducting tape, got some solder, got some solder remover, some pliers, a screwdriver and crosshead screwdriver, a soldering iron of course, with a packet of what looks like 5 different heads for it, and of course the stand for it. So here's what looks like the solder. It looks like very high quality stuff. Nice and soft, which is what you want to see with solder.